Dear students, previous class we had discussed about syllabus copy of business ethics and corporate governance. Today let's discuss the meaning of ethics, definition of ethics, nature of ethics and importance of ethics. I will present the one by one. Meaning of ethics. Ethics refers to the study of what is right and wrong in human behavior. It means ethics study of human behavior or a person, what is right and what is wrong of a person. It's related to good or bad of a human, good or bad of a human or a human behavior. And another one meaning of ethics. Ethics is a branch of philosophy that studies the value, morals, and code of conduct of a person. It means ethics is a branch of philosophy or field of philosophy that studies the human behavior or a person based on value, morals, and code of conduct of a person. It's also study the social science. It's systematic knowledge of a human behavior. And definition of ethics. According to Oxford Dictionary, the meaning of ethics is a system of moral principles, rules, and conduct. The system of moral principles are the principles what is right and what is wrong are acceptable of an individual or social group. Rules are governance of a behavior, and conduct the policies are followed by the ethic. And nature of ethics. Nature of ethics are characteristics or features of ethics. First one, ethics deals with a human beings only. It's a deals with human beings only. It is only human beings who have the freedom of chance. Who have the freedom of chance in the ethics. And second one, study of ethics has become a set of systematic knowledge about moral behavior and conduct. The ethics study of become a systematic knowledge and moral behavior or code of conduct of a person. It is social science conduct. Then third one, ethics is a normative science. It's also prescriptive in a nature, is the concern with judgments of a person. Then fourth one, ethic deals with human conduct. Ethics only deals with human conduct which voluntary, sometimes forcible, but not forced. It's a concerned person who have conduct in a human, that person situation based we are conducted. Then importance of ethics. Importance of ethics. The importance of ethics. The business organizations which act legally and ethically not only save lot of money, but it also gain public support and reputation of a business organizations. First one, part of society. The part of society, business is also part of society. Whatever ethical principles apply in society, we are apply in business. So for example, tax evasions we are considered as unethical practices. Then second one, expectations of public. So public expectations produce a good quality of product, and buying a good quality of product, that time we are all the stakeholders expected eyes on culture and behavior of a organization, public experts, the high level of ethical principles or behavior followed by the business organizations. For example, doing the right thing, do no harms. Trust of employees, the trust of employees, high level of moral and productivity can be easily obtained in a companies that treated all employees with quality, encourage and good team work of the business organizations. It's a ethical practices one. So trust of employees, so then business organizations giving to the employees encouragement, motivation, and it's a produce the good quality of product. Then image, this is the one of the importance of ethics. Its image, respect of all its stakeholders. Ethical good image is important because all stakeholders stand to gain. So reputation is one of the importance of ethic because it's a good name of a company. It's a image one of the company. Cost, cost, cost reduction of employee productivity and loyalty that out of unethical practices of the companies. So do not make a unethical practices. It's make a ethical policies and practices. So we are produce the low cost of the product, then we are sell the liberal price of the product. Do not take the high charge of amount. Then last one, pride of best companies. Every year government announced the best companies of a year. It's proud of the best companies. It helps for the companies improve the CSR activities and improve the quality of product, and it helps for the society and public. Those are importance of business ethics or significance of business ethics. Today we are discussed meaning of ethics, definition of ethics, nature of ethics and importance of ethics. Thank you to one and all watch this video.